All right, some more tips and pointers for the case study. The whole idea is to figure out how old is Stonehenge. So the first paragraph talks about what it is. If you don't know, it's actually kind of cool. Look it up. Nothing too huge there. Now, says number one says for each set of information, the unshed antler, animal bones, bluestone, and Y and Z holes, run the correct hypothesis test. What that's asking us to do is Corbin, using an archaeological approach, had previously set the mean date for the construction of the ditch to be 2950 BC. That's what we're trying to test. Now we have 4 samples. One is unshed antlers, 9 of them, with a mean of 3033.1 BC, standard deviation 66.9 years. Alpha is going to be 0.05 for all of these. Second category is animal bones. We have 4 animal bones with a mean of 3187.5 BC, standard deviation 67.4. On our other side, we have the bluestone circle and bluestone horseshoe. We have 3 artifacts. X bar 2193.3 BC, standard deviation 104.1. And our last category is the Y and Z holes, 3 samples of them with a mean of 1671.7 BC and a standard deviation 99.7. All alphas is 0.05. So you are to run hypothesis tests. P-value method, because we need the p-value. You need null and alternative hypothesis for all 4 of them. Correct data, label it. Calculations, show me what you did. The p-value of all 4 of these and your conclusion for all 4. They do not have to be the same, but they could be the same. And we're doing a t-test because we don't know sigma. Then, number 2, according to your test, what is the correct order of construction? So, which one, looking at our p-values, tell us it happened first, second, third, or fourth? Then, number 3 is the 95% confidence interval. So now we're dealing with two-tail. According to your confidence intervals, what is the correct order? So we're doing confidence intervals like we did for last chapter for all 4 of these sets using the same data up here. And the same null, same alternate hypothesis, same thing. We got p-value up here, number 1, confidence interval method, number 3. Number 4, which one is more useful? And give me reasons. There's no correct answer, but give me reason why you think so. And of course, we always end up with assumptions or limitations. What are your assumptions? What are your limitations? This is the case study. Do these t-test, order, confidence interval test. Which one's better and why? Assumptions and limitations. All data, make sure it's due the day of the test.